I'm discuss very important topic that is called how to set up Facebook ads with manager and without manager. There are two type of ads will be there in your Facebook with manager and without manager. Without manager, with manager. First, I'm explore about without manager. Just select your Facebook page. Select your Facebook page. Then click for more option. In this, you can option is called advertise your business. This is no need by the your Facebook manager. No need by the Facebook manager. Click for advertise your business. Based on page, the ad will be decided. Based on your page category, the ad will be decided. That is called boost post. Any post you can boost purpose. Promote your send message button. Means you can it only for send message button. Means they can chat with you. Promote your page for likes. For likes and reach to audience. Second thing, promote your business locally. Your business pay only for locally. So promote only for local business. Promote your call now button. Suppose in this call now button will be recommended. Why? Increase more calls. Any business increase more calls. Second one, get more website visitors. Get more website visitors. Now last one, get more leads. What are the leads you happen? Everything checked by your lead in this option. So here, this is your totally page ads. How many? Boost post, promote your send message, promote your page, promote your business locally, promote your call button, get more visit websites, and get more leads. And next one, set up your automated ad also. That is called find right side ads for you and will help set up your ads and save time with the less maintenance. This also will be here. Based on a page, click for next. Search your category. This will be automated nothing but based on the category and it will be decided. So my category will be here. Next, what is called direct contact, online, in person. Three type ads. Totally, first one 7. Now will be 3. How many ads total display? 10 ads. Per page, how many ads? Direct contact, online, nothing but website traffic. Third one in person. In person nothing but they'll contact by your address. They'll contact by which one? Your address. So we change your address, edit it. Change your address, edit. So direct contact nothing but phone call. Direct nothing but your phone call. Next. They provide contact info and reach out. They contact me. Two options. They provide contact info and I reach out. They will sending message. Please call to my number. I'll call to that person. Second, they call to me my number. So which one you select? You can wish. They sending message. First option. Same like Digita Suleka. There is a message. You can call to the customer. Or else they call to you. I'm focusing for receive my calls. Next. Add the call button. Next. Add your common interested point. Interested point is very, very important. First point is the digital marketing, web development, social marketing. Next, now start finally your traffic. Promote contact locally, promote your address locally. Two options. Promote your contact info locally. Click for next. Finally, add your images. In this image, how will be designed will be discussed on the complete on your class. So this is called your total automated ads. So any Facebook page will say one is the 7 ads. Remember, based on the page category, ad will be changed. Based on the page category, ad will be changed. So this I'm not using Facebook Manager, and your revenue will be decide which country. So how do we can add the currency? Everything decided by your Facebook profile. I'll show the currency adding will be two types. So currency will be adding here based on your option call your about. In this, all option will be here. In this, the profile, the option call is settings. Option call is setting. In this, we can go for payment method. This payment method for ads manager purpose. This payment method ads manager purpose. So what are my payment? Account settings and ad billing is all. What is that? Create a debit card, connect PayPal, add shipping address, email, phone number, security, or the rupees call, Indian rupees. What are the profile currency changing? Everything depend on the profile setting option. Now, page currency will be decided by the also will be your settings. Which one? Your page settings. Page currency also you can change. There is a Facebook manager account. This will be your page account. Which one? Payment. So which one is Indian currency? INR. Suppose one specific page amount you have to change some dollars. Go for dollars. Is only applicable by only one page, not for all pages. But in the before one, apply for all pages using Facebook Manager. Is a without manager. And second one with manager. Manage facebook.com/manage manage manage enter is changing some new look for the backend of manage. Here we can add the money here. How much you are spending, everything you can check by here. Select it. There are two types, billing and ads manager. First I'm checking for only ads manager. Set up here. These are all the options to give by the in particular Facebook here. In this Facebook ads manager, total display by 13 type of ads. Total how many type? Total 13 type of ads. Again, create. Any ad will be inactive, active. Any mode will be here. Total report we can check by here. Create. Now type will be awareness, consideration and conversion. Brand awareness. People reach your brand. Reebok or what is the page you have. Reach the people. Reach for reach your post or reach your page and reach your everything, video or anything. Traffic. This is mean by clicks. Your website traffic. This is mean by your website traffic. Engagement nothing but will be three types. Your post engagement, increase page likes, and the event response. So you need to create event. I will give the response of that event. Next, app install. Android or iOS, your wish. Any app will be promote. Video views. The video view nothing but increase the only video view, not for YouTube, not for Daily Motion, not for anything. Let upload video on Facebook, you can promote. There's a certain time will be there, I'll show that. And lead generation. It will be totally lead generation nothing but people chat with you or people sending by your message. You can check everything message will be at Facebook page using publishing tool. Which one? Publishing tool. Which one? The lead generation will be checked where? A Facebook page using publishing tool. Without Facebook page, we can't create any ads. No Facebook page, we can't create ad. Profile only for budget setup purpose. No page, no ads. But this is flexible by the LinkedIn and Facebook. Justly only they promoting Facebook page, not from groups, not from the profile. They're not interested to increase the group joins and profile friends. They only target by the page likes and followers. Page likes and followers. Second thing, messages. Only they're sending the message, nothing. They see the post, they send the message. How much you cost? How much this price? and conversion. This is the final thing. This is totally regarding for sale and conversion and store traffic. This all will be here and a particular things. Is it clear? This is total 2, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Here is a 13. Coming to page. I'll show page wise is a 2. One is called promote your local business. Why? I'm adding for map. Promote your website and boost post. Based on business, they're showing for 2. Boost post and promote your website. But is I'm showing for my business also. That is called promote local business. Promote local business. Always remember in your Facebook page, once you promoting will be start, you can target the local audience and global audience. That is your wish. That depend on your ad manager option will be target. And you can target by desktop user, mobile user also. Desktop user and mobile user also. Specific mobile user needed, go for specific mobile. Suppose specific desktop user needed, you go for desktop user. And any Facebook ad integrated with your Instagram. Whatever the ad will be designed, will be set up your ad, automatically display on your where Instagram. That only suitable by mobile ads for Instagram. But in a Facebook, Alpha, desktop and mobile. That is depend on your ads. So that is purpose any Facebook page to connect along with the Instagram. Without this connection, we can't do for Facebook ads. We can't display by where Instagram ads. This will be set up as a mandatory field. You show on Facebook ad on Instagram option. The ad will display only for mobile users. That only set up only for mobile apps. For Facebook, desktop and mobile users and tablet users. So I'll show how ad will be displayed on your Facebook. When showing sponsored, what click for learn more. You can see every option. Sponsor for showing for learn more. Yeah, a lot of options are there. Learn more, sign up, call now, every option. Promoted for showing for book now. For showing for book now. Is it clear? So this will be promoted through video. What option here? Book now. So any video will be promoted as it. See, most of the videos are 5 seconds or 15 seconds up to. But 5 seconds is good. 5 seconds is the good. That is the video views. See, the video view increase and book now. And remember, if you create any ads, Facebook ads, don't compare with your Facebook earnings. It's only for business lead purpose. Business leads don't upload the more than 3 minutes videos. Your business information within a 15 seconds you have to finish. Within 15 seconds you have to finish. That is a major important point. Is it clear? This is called your setup your Facebook ads. One based on ads manager without ads manager. Ads manager will be total 13. Without ads manager, page will showing for 7. Automatic will be 3. And remaining page ad will be 3. Total your page 10 plus 3. Total 13 type hours. And your 7 and this by our outside 3 both are same. So 7 plus 3 total 10. These are the ad type of creation on your page. This is your ads manager here. Without ads manager is called page. With ads manager nothing but facebook.com/manage. Is a clear structure of Facebook ads creation.